Next, I would like to call upon Action Christina for 5 AM to recite the national philosophy Rupanegara. Malaysians as one. Live to strive and to attain these goals guided by the following principles. Belief in God, loyalty to king and country, supremacy of the Constitution, the rule of law, good behavior, and morality.
Very good.
Assalamualaikum. And a very good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, teacher.
Thanks to God for the blessings and mercy we can gather together in the assembly today. I am one of teacher in charge for the last week. I would like to give an information about last week's report. Okay, first, our school has participated in MSSD level athletic competitions. For information, 2 of our pupils, Camilla and Sufyan, been selected to the MSSD level in 100 and 200 meters running event. Okay, second, one of our pupils, Farah Amida, was selected in MSSD level netball competition and managed to get 5th place. Congratulations, please give a big clap to the pupils. Okay, third, overall, teaching and learning process went smoothly and well, even though some classes needed to be combined. In terms of discipline, was under control, and cleanliness was satisfactory. So thank you to all pupils for your cooperation. Thank you. Give claps to you all.
And a very good morning.
Good morning, sir.
To the respected senior assistant, the respected headmaster of Sekolah Pasal Muhammad Jabbar, Puan Haji Sabran bin Arifin, senior assistant of administration, Encik Saiful, senior assistant of student affairs, Ustaz Muhammad Rusdi, senior assistant of curriculum, Encik Firdaus, dan Encik Azhan. Okay, press, how are you today?
I am fine, sir.
I don't hear from year one, how are you today? My group, in charge of duty, the teacher for this week is Encik Syed Muhammad Syukri, I'm Encik Muhyiddin, Puan Reka, Puan Helma Malini, Puan Nurafian Dahulu, Puan Masrika, and Puan Zainab. So if you have any problem, you can come to see us and we will help you to settle your problem. Okay, so today I see every one of you bring a flag, a nation flag. Okay, please put up the nation flag. Please wave the nation flag. Okay, so starting today is the starting for Independent Month for the Hari Kemerdekaan of nation starting today, and next after this we will have a majlis lancaran for Hari Kemerdekaan. Okay, thank you. Okay, put down back your flag. Okay, put down. Okay.
First of all, Alhamdulillah and congratulations to the School English panel for holding today assembly in English. Well done to the student involved, Amni Barakah, the MC, Jadi Christina for reciting the Rukun Negara, and Zakwan for reciting the flag. I hope that a program like this will help you improve your English language skill. Next, do remember that COVID-19 virus is still around, so please wear a mask when you are in a crowd. Other than that, do not expose yourself and get close to someone who has symptoms. Drink plenty to drink water at least 2 and 3 liters to stay hydrated. Most importantly, just stay at home if you are not feeling well. Okay. And now, a little advice on sensitive aspect. Involves running up and down the stairs although you are in hurry. It is because you may tumble down and get injured. And in the worst case scenario, you may suffer bones fracture too. So, please be careful all the time and put safety first above all other things where you are at school. Last study. Oleh practice good manners by saying this and then you to other. Also, don't forget to greet the teacher when meet them. You can either say Assalamualaikum and good morning. I hope all the will benefit from the advice given. Thank you.